Hi everyone. It's been a little while, and I hope this episode finds you healthy and well, and that you enjoyed your holiday with one or a few loved ones. So one of the things that got me into this situation is my love of shopping. And, all of us in the industry have, I think, a genetic defect where massive amounts of endorphins are released when we find something beautiful or something priced really well. And so with COVID, it's been difficult. So in the time that we haven't shot videos, I have done some shopping. People have come into the store. I also have friends that have businesses in other states that I've purchased things from. And we thought it would be fun to do an episode on new acquisitions. I'll begin by saying that for those of you that would like to get vintage presents for your loved ones for Christmas, it's kind of hard to do that, so we do offer gift cards. And if you'd like to have a private appointment where we do a video where we'll show you things on like FaceTime, we can do that as well. So anything to spread the gospel of vintage. So just contact us, and we're here. I'm going to start off with something I just got recently. You know, one of the periods of fashion and design that I particularly love is the Vienna workshop. And I don't know how to pronounce it properly, so you can laugh at me. I say Wiener Werkstätte. And so many incredible designers during that period. Coleman Mosier, Joseph Hoffman. And I fell in love with this ensemble because it really reminds me of the Wiener Werkstätte. If you think of Klimt and his muse, Emily Floge. So it's a beautiful kind, I don't know what this fabric is. It's a silk. It's pretty rough. Super fine file with pleated organza, beading in the collar and in the cuffs, and then this wonderfully striped skirt with two pleats on the top to create a little bit of hip room. I love this piece, and I can see wearing it with a fabulous wide brim hat in a previous life. And then on this mannequin, this has got to be the best 70s jumpsuit I think I've ever had. It's a wonderful ombre satin, and believe it or not, the pleats, you can't tell, but it's massive palazzo. So great for disco dancing, gives you plenty of leg room. And it's in excellent condition. And she's wearing a great elephant necklace. And speaking of elephants, we have this killer zebra Andrea Pfister boot. I mean, the cut work on this is, I think, before laser cuts, is spectacular. And then also on these pedestals, very desirable Chanel quilted train case with its original box and its authenticity card and with its shoulder strap. I think it was worn maybe once or twice. It's in impeccable condition. And then this one, I'm not so sure I want to sell for a while. I want to just admire it. I was told this was runway, Dolce & Gabbana. I'm thinking of taking these home and using them as bookends for a little while so I can appreciate them and enjoy them as art. So on the racks, since very few of us are going out for the holidays, I don't have anything to wear is no longer a concern. But just in case it is, this wonderful Yves Saint Laurent wannabe. It's not YSL. It's a two-piece satin with overlay of lace, and then this great kind of skirt that goes with it. It's a beautiful, beautiful ensemble and really great for the holidays. Wouldn't you agree, Carrie? Okay. And then, speaking of YSL, we have a Rive Gauche. I've had different iterations of this. Dress, skirt. This is a three-piece ensemble. It's a jacket, a long sleeve blouse, and pants. And it's a beautiful silk satin. And this looks to me like Christmas with snowflakes coming down on the jacket. And then one of my favorites is this Vivienne Tam. It's a two-piecer. It's part of her Tibetan Tiger collection, Tibetan Tiger carpet collection. Say that 4 times fast. It's a mesh, printed mesh, and it's pretty iconic. Now this dress reminds me of my youth, which really dates me. It's a cotton velveteen. It's a gorgeous Christmas color by an underappreciated American designer named Anne Fogarty. Drop waist, very flattering. And you can really amp this up by attaching very lightly red pom-poms around the neck. Or bells, jingle bells. And then we put this on the rack to show because it's such a beautiful ensemble. 60s Matelassé lame coat and an Empire sleeveless cocktail dress. It's probably not, the weight on this would be more Southern California, Florida than the rest of the United States for now. But it would be a good thing to have in the closet for spring. And then this is, it's a masterpiece. The cut, Claude Montana wool felt coat with this incredible movement and these great sleeves and a ribbed neckline, and yeah, anything by Claude Montana in the 80s I think is fabulous because he revered the female form and knew exactly what to exaggerate in order to show it off. So like this is totally shows off a tiny waist, and then with the extended shoulders make anyone look really, really good. I love this piece. But then speaking of Montana, take a look at this one. This one, which has kind of a trench coat, raglan sleeve, the flap in the back, but the thing, it's heavy. The thing that's really, the detail that's really special on this one is this leather and chrome cuffs on both sleeves, and this amazing way of creating a buttonhole with these studs. It's in excellent condition, and this is definitely a style that will never go out of fashion. So, and for those of you that have seen several of our episodes, you know I'm a sucker for whimsy and things that make you smile. So we have this Bonnie Horror cotton velveteen pullover with beadwork of various nightclubs. And it's fabulous. It's reminiscent Romanoff's, Brown Derby. These are clubs that were huge in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. I think mostly LA, but I don't know for sure. And continuing along the lines of whimsy, this makes me think of the old Batman when he would hit someone and you'd see pow and stars. This is a leather mini skirt with this metallic applique. And it's not that old, but you know, when you find something that's fabulous, you don't pass it up because of the age. So, and then it's the perfect dress to wear by the beach. This is Biblos. And if your family has a hard time finding you, this is the dress to wear. I love this. It's, I think, a cotton linen blend made in Italy. Just beautiful. And then, surprise, surprise, this color-blocked, gorgeous shoulder line. It's Valentino, never worn, with its original tags. You could actually put a turtleneck underneath it and make it more adaptable for winter. But this is for a PYT. Pretty young thing. And last but not least, we cannot keep these 1930s partial or full bias cut gowns in stock. It has a crossover decolletage, and the print is pretty fabulous. It's like underwater fern, a sea fern, or tumbleweed. Depends on if you're a water or I'm a water sign, so I think of it as underwater. Anyway, so that's all that we have as far as new acquisitions to show you, but there's tons more that we just don't have time to pull out. So if you're on the hunt for something specific, be it clothing, accessories, jewelry, we have great scarves for Christmas presents, great costume jewelry, and we keep adding new items on our website. We tried to add new items on Thursdays, and I try to do markdowns on the website as well. So, and don't forget that there is a $99 and under category, and we pay for domestic shipping. Shop, shop, shop. Support small businesses. We are a small business, although you'd never believe it looking in the store. There's just so much stuff in here. Anyway, sending you all good wishes. Please be safe. Please take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, Christmas, Hanukkah, or whatever it is that you celebrate. And we look forward to starting 2021 with good news and with good health and with joy. So that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.